Good morning, my lovely students. Welcome to my math virtual class. Let's start. Our lesson for today is about word problems. Our lesson for today is about word problems. Is the word problem scare you? Word problems makes you nervous? Word problems? I just skip them. Don't worry. With 4 steps, you can become a word problem whiz. With 4 steps, you can now answer the word problem. Let's start. Step 1. Understand the problem. What does the problem ask for? What facts or information that are given? Here is an example. So I have an example here. This is the problem number 1. Let's read the problem. Please also read it loud. Tang O has 425 pencils. Then his father buys more 155 pencils. How many pencils does Tang O have in total now? Again, let's read. Tang O has 425 pencils. And then his father buys more 155 pencils. How many pencils does Tang O have in total now? So, let's understand the problem. What is S, or what is the question? The question is, how many pencils does Tang O have now? What facts are given, or what are the information? Information says Tang O has 155 pencils. And then his father buys more, or buys another 425 pencils. Step 2. Set a plan. Identify the hidden question and how will you answer the question. In the word problem, should you add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Now, in the problem, as you can see, there is a word total. Again, if you see the word total, it means we are going to add. So the problem, we're going to add the numbers. Okay, again, this is the problem number 1. What is the hidden question? The question is, how many pencils does Tang O have now? What operation is needed? So the operation that we're going to use in this problem is addition. Okay, so we're going to add the numbers 425 and 155. Let's add. Carry out the plan. So step 1. Write the number sentence. And our number sentence is 425 plus 155 equals. Step 2. Write the facts given. What are the facts given? In the problem, it says there, Tang O has 425 pencils. And his father buys more 155 pencils. These are the information that are given. Step 3, solve the problem. So let's answer. 425 plus 155 is equal to? Very good. 580 pencils. Again, step 3, we're going to solve the problem. 425 plus 155 is equal to 580 pencils. Next, step 4. Step 4 is the answer, and the answer should write and should be in a sentence. Again, the question is, how many pencils does Tang O have in total? So our answer should be, Tang O have 500 pens. Tang O have 580 pencils in total now. Tang O have 580 pencils in total now. That is how you answer a word problem. Please remember these 4 steps. Step 1, write the number sentence. Step 2, check or write the facts that are given or the information. Step 3, solve the number sentence or answer the number sentence. And step 4, write the answer in a sentence. Depends on the question. Those are the 4 steps. Well done. If your answers is Tang O have 580 pencils in total now, you're right. Good job. Now that we understand the problem and we carry out the plan, we're ready for the practice. And this time, we're going to learn the word problem about subtraction. Word problem on subtraction. Okay, if I say subtraction, it means we are going to use the minus. Subtraction means minus. Again, don't forget the 4 steps. Step 1, number sentence. Step 2, facts that are given or information. Facts. Step 3, solve it. Step 4, answer. Are you ready? Great. Let's start. Alright, so this is the problem number 1 about subtraction. Again, our direction, write the mathematical sentence and the solution. But we're going to use the 4 steps. Alright, let's start. Let's read the problem. There are 616 oranges in the basket, and they gave 212 oranges to their neighbor. How many oranges are left? Again, let's read together. There are 616 oranges in the basket, and then they gave 212 oranges to their neighbor. How many oranges are left? Let's solve the problem. Yes, as we can see, there are 616 oranges, but they gave away 212 oranges to their neighbor. So our operation that we are going to use is subtraction. So we're going to minus. The numbers here are 616 and 212. So let's solve. Let's write our mathematical sentence or our number sentence. That is our step 1. So our number sentence will be 616 minus 212 equals, what will be our answer? Next, step 2, what are the facts given, or what are the information that are given in the problem? Here we have, it says here, there are 616 oranges. So this is our facts number 1. Next, they gave 212 oranges. So we're going to minus 212 oranges. Step 3, solve the problem. So let's solve. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So the answer here is 404 oranges. The answer here is 404 oranges. Step number 4, let's answer. And again, the answer should be in a sentence. So the answer is there were 404 oranges left in the basket. Because our answer, it depends on our question. The question again is how many oranges left in the basket. So our answer will be there were 404 oranges left in the basket. Well done. Great job. We did it! We are now the word problem wizards. Very good. So this is the end of our lesson. Again, our lesson was word problems on addition and subtraction. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. See you tomorrow.